Alright, boom, baby. Welcome back to Project Frankenstein. I think today I'm going to start with the starter. Get the starter hooked up. That's simple enough. Boom. Alright, there's that bad boy. And then I just ran the ground wire, or the, power wire, down to the bottom under there. Now let's get on the bottom side. There's definitely a specific little spot that it fits in, and once I got that location right, it was kind of a pain because I didn't want to pull it back out, but you know, you're doing everything at full extension, so your arms are out, you know. All right, boom. So the bolt that goes on the starter, for what is it, the power or the ground or whatever? I guess the power. It's not tightening down, which might explain, if you watch any of my really old videos, how sometimes it was kind of hard to get everything to get the power to start it. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'm gonna have to swap that bolt out, and then on the bottom bolt, half the casing's broken off by the bottom bolt. So I think I'm gonna put a washer on the bottom one. That should be enough to hold it. And then I just gotta put the top bolt. So I need to find a new bolt for the power, or just a nut, and then a bolt for the top one. Bam. So the top bolt, you can only really reach from the backside on the top by the engine. All right, boom, baby. Well, we got the starter installed. The only thing is I'm going to go get the replacement bolt, but that'll take 2 seconds. And I'll probably, when I do that, I'll throw in a washer for the other one. But for the most part, it's there. It's installed. Back tomorrow or tonight to keep working on Frankenstein, get this thing going. Boom, baby. Making some serious progress. I mean, honestly, we're getting there. You know, I mean, there's not really that much left. I know it probably seems like a lot, but not really. Front fascia, radiator, water pump, fix the shifter deal, attach the exhaust. I mean, it's all really easy stuff, honestly. So boom, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching, baby.